Earlier, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson about lunchbox ideas for kids going back to school. And now Paula is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
All right, back to school is here. Many kids going back to school this week, Paula, including Lincoln Public Schools. And so you have a fun idea for a treat. Where did you find this recipe?
This was one I found on Facebook, but I made it more me.
Okay.
This is it, and I'm going to say this is Gloria's favorite part of it. She always has to run the apple peeler. And this was my mother-in-law's, but it's super quick and simple.
Wow.
And if I do it right,
I could watch that all day. That's super fun.
see, and it comes off.
Wow. John, can we get one of these? I love this.
There.
That is so great.
And the right size, and when you put a paper towel under it, it doesn't make a mess. Go ahead and put your peanut butter on.
Oh, peanut butter first.
Yeah,
okay.
peanut butter first, because that's what helps it all sticky.
Okay.
And I'm going to just chop these up one more little. It just makes it.
I can see why Gloria would like that. And how old is Gloria?
She's 5. She starts
Perfect.
kindergarten tomorrow up in
Oh.
Madison.
Okay.
There we go.
There we go.
And then we just put the apples all around it.
Okay.
And I'll do it because that's the messier part.
With that apple peeler, you could move fast on
You
this.
can do, this is what you made apple pie, applesauce, everything. My mother-in-law did.
She loved apples.
She had an apple tree, so, you know.
Yeah.
There you go. And then sprinkle it with the
Honey, just drizzle it?
To what you like. And then
Okay.
once you do that, you can sprinkle some cinnamon sugar over it.
Ooh, so it is like an apple pie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just add that pop of protein with the peanut butter, and then you just roll it up, and you just kind of roll it tight and shove the apples back into it because, and I will say the ends always end up ooky, so golly gee, you just have to eat them.
It's a good word, ooky.
It's a very technical cooking term, I'm sure. But there you go. That's all it is.
And there are the ingredients on your screen. We also have the ingredients and the whole recipe on our Facebook pages if you want to copy it down. Pretty simple and seems pretty fun.
It's fun, and it's something Gloria likes to kind of help with, and it's got everything she likes. And you could do Nutella, you could throw raisins in it, you know, there's other things you can put in it if you don't want the peanut butter.
This is really good. I love the apples in it.
Yeah,
I like it just like this.
I do too. I like it this way too. Tom wasn't a huge fan. Christian scarfed 4 of them in one set.
Wow, that's a growing boy for you.
It is.
Okay, well, Paula, thank you for this recipe. Back to school is here.
I know, we're ready.
We're ready. Okay, back to you, John.